Welcome back, guys. Kids Going Playground here, and today we're back for another video. I'm actually showcasing an animation, so it's about Minecraft. So if you like Minecraft, that's good. And we actually have all these sprites downloaded in the Google Drive, so you can actually download them. And you just have to go to the description, click on Read More, and then you can see everything. If you watch the end of the video, please comment Minecraft in the comments below. So anyways, let's start it. So it's the morning, and there's Alex and Steve, and there's like a music to make the thing better. What a beautiful day. I think we should go for an adventure. That is a great idea, Alex, but we need to get some weapons from the house. That is a great idea. Let's go. And when they go in the house, it changes its backdrop and the music. So you'll see that, and the pig comes out and says oink oink, and the sheep comes out and says bah, and it goes inside, and they go inside. And there's like a music change, and they're grabbing the weapons. And they also change costumes. This is the barn house, and they change the costumes. And he changed his costume, and he got his diamond sword. Let's move out. I'm a bit thirsty, need some water. It says few hours later, so this is like a transition. Wait for me, Steve. I'm gonna jump into the lake because he's really hot and he needs water. So as you can see, when he jumps into the lake, there's water covering his body. Okay? Steve, get out of there. There's a monster above you. And a phantom comes out. Oh my god, let me out of here. And then they get armed and they try to fight the phantom. So they keep on attacking the phantom with their gold swords and diamond swords. Come on, we can do it. And they says, come on, we can do it. And then they keep on attacking the phantom. And then he takes the final blow on the phantom. Bam! Take that, monster. And he says, arg, arg, and flips over and dies. Yeah, we did it, Steve. And it makes some things. So thank you for watching this animation. So yeah. So I cannot actually show you everything that we have here. I'm actually not going to do the tutorial because there's a lot of broadcast and a lot of code for the broadcast. So I'm actually going to review some code with you. So this is like when the green flag is clicked, set size to 100%, point in direction 90, show, switch costume to costume 1, that's the regular costume, and I go to this position, and it's like all broadcast, and then like Alex talks too, and Steve. So at one part, as I showed you in the showcase, he gets small and goes into the barn house. So whenever Steve go to the barn house, that is a good idea. Let's go. Wait for 2 seconds. Says for 2 seconds. Set size to 75%. Glide 1 second to 80, Y negative 19. So it's gliding and it's getting smaller and smaller, and it's gliding inside the barn house. So Steve also gets some talking. So Steve also talks too, and he also goes in the barn house. So hey, wait for me. I'm coming with you. And then set size to 75% and glides in, and then broadcast Alex goes to barn. And then it'll set size to 40%, and then it'll go inside. So this is when they grab the weapon, so it makes like a sound. It switches to costume 2, that's the diamond sword costume. I'll point in direction negative 90. So I'm going to show you the costumes. This is costume 1, costume 2. So here we go. And then Alex, costume 1, costume 2. So yeah. And they also grab the weapons. So next I'll show you the pig. So the pig is really simple. It's just some code because he's not really the main character. He's just like a side character. And a sheep is really easy too. And then I'll also show you the few hours later. So when the backdrop switches to the Minecraft forest, it'll start blinking, hide, wait 0.5 seconds, and then show, and then wait another 0.5 seconds. And then I'll also show you the phantom. The phantom is when the green flag is clicked, it'll hide. This is when the phantom flips over, so say arg arg, point in direction negative 90, repeat until touching water, change Y by negative 4, and start sound the splash sound. I'll hide, and the broadcast monster drop down. So I actually cut some part of the water, so it's the backdrop, and I made a sprite called Water, so it can cover Steve's feet. So when the green flag is clicked, I'll hide, and when I receive Stephen Lake, it'll go to the front layer and it'll show. So it's like covering its legs. And then yeah. So we also have this thing, the thank you for watching. It's actually just the thank you for watching. And the zombie, we didn't use the zombie, but we have it in the description, so then you can use it if you want it to, if you want to have it in your animation. So I'm also going to show you the backdrops. There's 6 backdrops. The desert, so this is, oh, we didn't use the desert, yeah. So the Minecraft lake, the Minecraft forest, this is when they were running in the forest, right here. The Minecraft, we didn't use this one. The farm, we use this one. In the room 1, this is the barn house. Minecraft lake is when they fight the phantom. So that's it. I will be sharing this animation, so if you have any questions, go to my account, and then you can actually comment in my profile. So yeah, so we have this, I'll have this shared. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below for what else of videos you want. And also, don't forget to write Minecraft.